Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel called Playful Rose Busman, and today we're going to be playing some Subway Surfers. And my brother's playing right now. I'm going to allow him to play for the whole video. Hopefully, he's actually kind of good. So, yeah. Whoa. Got hit this, do another one. Sorry, I forgot about this. So, last time, yeah, when I done a video with me and my brother doing a football video, part 1. Yeah, there was not going to be a part 2 anymore because we don't want to do it anymore. So just forget that part 1 was there. Just make it like Joe versus Easy, and don't look at it and say, oh, Joe versus Easy part 1. Ignore it and just go with the flow. And my brother's really good. I couldn't say really good, but he's kind of good. But yeah. Sorry if this is too bright for me. And my brother won't speak. Just say hello, but don't show your face on the camera. Hello. And he died. Sad. Continue. I'm basically gonna be the commentator. So I'm gonna start right now. Here's the guy. He comes through. He doesn't get that much coins. When he gets one, he goes through, gets all of the coins, then jumps, rolls down. Oh, what a tumble! Swipes. He goes down. What a tumble! He swipes. He swallowed the bullet. He dies. This tense, Joseph. I don't know. Is it tense? Yeah. Because there's the camera like on the game and you're like confused, like, oh, what's happening? I'm getting videoed but and I'm doing a game. I think I should do a gaming channel. I don't know. Tell me in the comments, and also subscribe and smash the like button. Let's go for 200 likes. We haven't really reached 100 yet, but actually for 100 likes, that's it. 100. And if we make it.